If you follow my channel, you know that I'm pretty long-winded sometimes. I mean, setting up the erhu video is about 7 minutes long, and that's just for an instrument with 2 strings. Now we have a 21 strings beast here. It's not going to be that quick, but I will try to be as fast as I can. Later, we have teacher Kira to come and evaluate my string changing work, and hopefully she can play something nice for you. So assuming that one of your string broke by accident, oops, my string broke. So we have the bridge here. Let's put it somewhere safe. Don't let your cat or dog play with it. And then let's remove all the other strings from, as in the remaining part of the string from the Guzheng. So now we have taken out the remaining part of the string from the tuning pin side. Now let's go to the other end of the Guzheng. So I'm going to take out this side of the strings. Just push it down. Then you should be able to see it here. Yeah, here, there you go. So I've removed the broken string. So let's count which string broke. Let's start from this string 1. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. So string number 13 broke, and let's get string number 13 out. So this is a new pack of string number 13. Let's unwrap this. So now you have the string nicely coiled up like this. Let us uncoil it. Notice there's a tail end of this string and there's a metal clamps on the other end. So there's a metal clamps here. Now we pull this out. Let's uncoil it. So after you uncoil the string, let's just put it one side first, and then let's put the Guzheng up like this. I mean, I don't usually do it like this, but I'm doing this so I can show you. Let's go to the other end of the Guzheng. Okay, pick up my string. Oops. So I have the pointy end of the string here. Just let it go through the hole. So now let's flip the Guzheng back. Okay, so let's just leave the string here. So let's do the important part, which is loosening the pin. So now you have a tuning wrench here. Let's put it into the pin. And then if you pull the tuning wrench towards you, that's loosening. Right, so I'm loosening it now. If it's the other direction, it's tightening. So our goal here is to loosen it. So the question is, how much should you loosen? Just make sure that it bulges out. So the reason why we are doing this is so that the pin does not drive all the way into the pin block. There's only a limited amount that you can turn for each pin. If you drive it all the way into the pin block, you're going to crack the Guzheng, and your Guzheng will never sound the same again. So you must make sure that it bulges out a little bit, something like this. So now we shall put the bridge back at where it was supposed to be at. Just gently place it here, and then we shall pull the string. Yep, and like roughly rest it on the bridge. You can just ignore the bridge now. And then next, you need to use this pointy end of the string, go through the eyelet here. From the other side, stick it out, and then put this string through the tuning pin. Right, leave about 1.5 inches of the tail end of the string outside here. Sorry, this is a little bit more than I need. Ouch. Make sure this stays bent like this. Yeah. try to overlap the bent side of the string with the long side of the string. Start to tighten like this. So now make sure that the string is on top of the groove of the bridge. And then you further tighten the string. So everything is sitting very comfortably, and then you can begin to tune. So this is a Korg brand tuner. I'm going to on it now, and I'm going to switch the hertz to 442, and I'm going to leave it at the side of the Guzheng so that I can tune and look at the tuner at the same time. So tuner here, and then just tune. So this note is A. Let's go to A. I mean, we have a tuning chart as well. I'm going to put the picture in the video description so that you can refer to it. Make sure that the needle goes to the middle, you see? As you tighten, it will go towards the right side of the tuner. Yep, somewhere around here. Ah, yes, A. Okay, now you have to run in the string. Just like press a few times. Okay, then tune again. So the needle is at the left, so you have to tighten a bit. Ah, okay. So now you're in the middle. I mean, if the needle is at the right side, you will have to loosen a little bit. Well, we are done with one string. So it's just one only. You have to repeat this step 21 times, and you can change the set of strings for the whole Guzheng. There's also one key element that you need to take note, which is the distance between the bridge and the Yueshan. I'm going to leave a chart in the video description. You can look for it, shift the bridges according to this chart, and your Guzheng will sound terrific and your strings will not break so easily as well. Let me invite teacher Kira here to evaluate my work. Oh, here you are. I haven't done this in a long time. What do you think?
Not too bad.
I know. So now I'm going to leave you here with the viewers. Play something and wow them.
Okay, I'll try.
Okay, I'll scoot off.
Do you find this tutorial helpful? Do subscribe to Aton's Music YouTube channel. Bye bye!